you see the statement in this particular question, z is expressed as x to the power n f1 of y by x. If you see or remember, this is also one of the definition of the homogeneous function. बराबर है? Whenever you have the form, the function or the term expressed in the form f of y by x or f of x by y, we can treat that as homogeneous function. बराबर है? So ultimately आप यहाँ पर क्या देख रहे हो? Z is a combination of two homogeneous functions. Then we have to prove this particular result which appears in Z. यानी मुझे सब आगे किसके साथ जाना है? Z के साथ जाना है. If I am able to prove that Z is a homogeneous function of degree n, I can get the desired result by differentiating it again for the second order derivative. So given that z is equal to x to the power n into this plus y to the power n minus n into this, I call this as u as well as v. So z is now a combination of u and v. बराबर. So del z by del x is differentiated. Del z by del x is obtained as del u by del x plus del v by del x. Del z by del y is obtained as del u by del y plus del v by del y. अरे fundamental theorem. If you differentiate the whole expression by x, you get the step in x. If you differentiate the whole expression in y, you can get the answer in y. But independently, u is a homogeneous function of degree
n.
n. V is a homogeneous function of degree
Minus n.
minus n. So you will have to apply Euler's theorem separately for u as well as v and then combine it in the form of z. ये combination समझ में आया क्या कैसे करना है? So independently u and v are homogeneous functions of certain degree, but that combination or addition is nothing but your u, and we have to simplify it. Sorry, that combination is in the form of z and we have to write down the result in the form of z. So लिखिएगा इसका step one by one. Given z is equal to x to the power n into f1 of y by x, y to the power minus n into f2 of x by y, u is equal to this. Assume that let u is equal to x to the power n f1 of y by x, y to the power minus n f2, so that z is a combination of u and v. So if you differentiate this with respect to x, you will get this statement. If you differentiate this with respect to y, you will get this. U and v are homogeneous function of degree n and minus n respectively. N can be any rational number. Degree can be any rational number. Any rational number means p by q. P and q are integer. Integer contains negative number also. लिख लिया. Since u and v are homogeneous functions of degree n and minus n respectively, applying Euler's theorem, x into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y is n into u. X into del v by del x plus y into del v by del y is equal to minus n into v. Right? Got the answer? See, finished up to this, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So we independently got the statements for x del u by del x plus y del u by del y is equal to n into u. We independently got the statement for v, x del v by del x plus y del v by del y is equal to minus n into v. बराबर है? But is this the result expected?
No, sir.
No,
I
sir.
want the result in the form of
Z.
z. So अभी मुझे ये टर्म को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? Multiply this by
X.
x. So what you are getting over here? X del z by del. See, these steps are not written. I am dictating. Please write it simultaneously. What it will be? X into del z by del x is equal to x into del u by del x plus x into del v by del x. लिखा? Did you write?
Yes, sir.
This statement will be multiplied by what?
Y.
Y.
Y. So what it will be? Y into del z by del y is equal to y into del u by del y plus y into del v by del y. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now add this LHS. LHS add करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? X into del z by del x plus y into del z by del y is equal to. I hope you are able to see the steps.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
LHS will be added, correspondingly make a combination of RHS also, this x del u by del x and this y del u by del y. This will be added together. So क्या होगा? इसका मतलब है n into, what will be the value for this?
N into
n
U.
into u plus x del v by del x and y del v by del y. इसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा?
Minus NV.
Minus NV.
माइनस एन वी. ठीक है, अभी मेरे को u प्लस v को अलग लेना है, राइट? सो कैसे करेंगे उसको? n कॉमन, व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग देयर?
U minus V.
u माइनस v. बट z लाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा बेटा? वहां पर आपको u प्लस v लाना है. देन हाउ यू कैन ब्रिंग द टर्म ओवर देयर? How you can bring the term? Yes. How you can go ahead now? See, I want this particular term, right? Keep it as it is. After taking out n common, keep this as it is. अभी आप क्या करोगे? Differentiate partially with respect to x. Multiply by x.
X.
Differentiate partially with respect to y. Multiply y.
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 So LHS will give you all these terms.
Yes, sir.
एंड RHS में यहां पर क्या होते जाएगा? डेल यू बाय डेल एक्स माइनस डेल वी बाय डेल एक्स. ठीक है, देन क्या बनेगा? डेल यू बाय डेल वाई माइनस डेल वी बाय डेल वाई. एंड उनका वैल्यू अपन यहां पर से सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं, वॉट एवर वी हैव फ्रॉम हियर, राइट? यहां पर से क्लियर? ये. So kindly go ahead with this. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me. Because this complete differentiation will give you this term, right? And RHS में बस क्या लाना है? Z लाना है, U plus V. ठीक है, करके देखिए. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me. Okay? Is this part understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, differentiate partially with respect to x, differentiate partially with respect to y, multiply by x, multiply by y, see the combination on the RHS. ठीक है, x del u by del x plus या फिर आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो, because del u by del x plus del v by del x is nothing but del z by del x. जैसा भी एडिशन करना चाहे तो एडिशन करो, सब्ट्रैक्शन करना चाहे तो सब्ट्रैक्शन करो. ठीक है. The last point is corollary. Corollary related to this. This is important for you, that how the result is to be validated. If z is a homogeneous function of x and y and z is expressed as f of u, one of the result we saw is n into f of u upon f dash of u. Second result कैसा आता है? Second order का g of u into g dash of u minus 1. Clear? So this corollary will help you to get the result directly. This is important result. यहाँ पर ये जो अपन कर रहे हैं सब, ये this is in the form of z is equal to, right? So how you can verify your answer? G of u into g dash of u minus 1. This is the important statement. लिखो. This corollary is very important. If z is a homogeneous function of x and y of degree n and z is f of u, then prove that x into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y is n into f of u upon f dash of u. And secondly, x square del 2u by del x square plus 2xy del 2u by del x del y plus y square del 2u by del y square will be g of u into g dash of u minus 1. But what is g of u? G of u is n into f of u into f dash of u.